1, 2, and 3. I'm on life. So, nipple, my heart. This is not actually about anything I do regarding my family activities or just fun things. This is about the coronavirus. I wanted to talk in Chuukese, but I'll try talking Chuukese. I'll stay strong because I know this topic is tough, and this topic is really serious. My heart is pounding at the same time. I don't get nervous when I stay on live or when I look at my camera. But tonight, I feel like my heart is pounding, and it's not because I feel nervous, but as just a concerned mother, as a concerned grandmother, as a concerned woman, as a concerned person in whatever community I live in, radiate. That's why I feel like jump on my live video and talk about this coronavirus. I know a lot of us Micronesian in our communities, like up here in the mainland, Vancouver, Washington, whichever state you are tuning in from or watching my live video, especially 808, Hawaii. I love you guys. I'm more of a concerned citizen, even though it's situated in Hawaii. I love my Micronesian people in Hawaii, especially my children, my family. So I know a lot of us, we kind of take this lightly as not really a serious issue, but it makes me scared though. I've seen a lot of people talk about this, and news people, president, a lot of people that I've seen, they talk about this coronavirus, and now they talk about it in Hawaii. I don't want to do my live video because I just want to say it. I don't want to scare anybody, but it's just as a concerned mom, as a concerned grandmother, as a concerned citizen. We should all be really, really vigilant, or we should watch out, just prepared, because we don't want to be those people like those other people. Like I put it on my on just I wrote it on my live video, like we don't want to be like those other people in Noah's time. None of those people resergu radurora raigegi esafisigerir. And what happened to the people? They all died because none of those people resergu reserpan take it really seriously. So coronavirus is anyway, or I would say that it's a serious matter, especially to all of us Micronesian citizens. I know you love your family, you love your mom and dad, you love your aunties, especially you love your kids. So, it's medicine. We should all do that. Do that. Yaro roya no many but the do that to metal furry. So, I don't know why I feel like doing a live video and talk about this topic as coronavirus. I haven't seen Usasirega pan any other Chuukese people ren are soon coronavirus. Yeah, like the news I've seen, re mirata, especially in Hawaii, where I'm really a concerned citizen because I love my family or my family. I do love my kids. I do love my nephews and nieces. And I just love my family, extended family. And it's just a concern for me. So we all should take this seriously. But and I know the main thing is we just give it up to the one above, the koten etsi karavetats medicine. So I think whoever wants to put a comment on my live video, you are very welcome. Waro mefio, waro met how you feel about my life about the coronavirus. Because Chuukese Chuukese people, we are, of course, we work together as like one team, not at Zeruri. So, Kiriso, peace out, ngeri everybody sit. But, tiro, fairo, o ka paro sara tivisire paros, ika meditating up, SAT thoughts. I just want to talk about this topic as this coronavirus. I feel like I even have teary eyes. Maybe I just have a big heart that I feel scared. But I put my faith above. So, nepongeri vedisi, nepongeri kevits audio katunaya life, o paro shara TPC, and I don't usually talk about this kind of topics on my live videos, because the only videos I do is about takir, about recipes of food. That's all I do. But for tonight, it's kind of a serious topic because it's about coronavirus. It is so. Nepongeri keverisit, patiro virus efe. Peace. Aloha.